It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to be using unit cubes to find volume. We'll determine how many cubes will fit into a rectangular prism, and what is the volume of one to find the volume of the entire rectangular prism, using fractional side lengths. Here's our question today. We have a jeweler that sells rings in boxes. Each box is in the shape of a cube. The edge length of each box is 1/6 of a foot. The boxes are stacked in a container so that the container is completely full. The container is in the shape of a right rectangular prism as shown. So here's our right rectangular prism, and we see all the boxes inside. We're asked which of the following expressions can be used to find the volume in cubic feet of the container, and you're given 4 numerical expressions to pick from. Here's where I would like you to pause, do your best work, and then come back to check your work to my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So we're finding the volume in cubic feet of this entire container that's holding boxes. So the jeweler is selling ring boxes, and each one of these little dashed lines shows a box. We're told that each box is in the shape of a cube. So a cube has every edge is the same length. We're told that the edge length of each box is 1/6 of a foot. So here's one box, one ring box inside our container, and it has an edge length of 1/6 of a foot. So 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. So to find volume off my reference sheet, V equals LWH. So volume is equal to the length of the cube multiplied by the width multiplied by the height. A cube has all 3 of these dimensions have the same length. Length, width, height. So what we're going to do is take 1/6 and we're going to multiply it by itself 3 times because the length, the width, and the height are all 1/6. Looking at my answer choices, I can see that we're going to write this using an exponent. So 1/6 is my base, 3 is my exponent, because this tells me to take 1/6 and multiply it by itself 3 times. Looks to me like my answer is D, but let's keep going to ensure that it is. So the next thing I need to know, because now this tells me that one cube inside the container has this volume. I now need to know how many ring boxes are in the container to know how many times to multiply this by itself. All right, here we go. Or not by itself, how many times we're going to multiply 1/6 by itself 3 times. All right, here we go. So we're going to see that we have one row or column here that has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ring boxes here in that front row. Then I can see I have a second row that's going to have 6 and a third row that's going to have 6. So we can see that we have 3 times 6 columns or rows, however you want to see, stacked. 3 sets of 6 ring boxes stacked, which gives us 18. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. So the entire container has 18 ring boxes. So we're going to take that volume and multiply it by 18 because we have 18 cubes with this volume, which you can see here is our answer D. The volume of 1 multiplied by 18 ring boxes in our container. And that's how you use unit cubes to find the volume of a right rectangular prism, using V equals LWH, or length times width times height. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a good day and come back soon.